Assam Football Association pen pater piponsi ni throk apharman residential football referee level 6 and 7 upgrade asatlang ke en la pen seke ki pia jai mek diphurong so pialong kedo Karbi Anglong Sports Association Stedium along ki bipon Pinivosik ni phai isi pen ni phai throk an apharman diphurong so pialong kedo Kasa Pathu aklamalong residential football referee level 6 and 7 upgrade asatlang ke en la pen seke ki pi ke pang chingpon Bang solong Assam ang kang pen prek jamalong ripen katu kawe pen bang plikebra nerkeba na bang photo football referee hin la pen upgrade asat lang ki pg aphan bang ridilo bang solong resource person AIFF referee instructor Northeast Zone referee development officer Joy Chandra Singh Ohiduj Zaman head of the referee Assam Prasan Rabha referee instructor Gautam Kalita referee instructor Tohid Ullah instructor Hiren Gogoi Assam Football Association Treasurer cum Instructor Dr. Pankaj Teron General Secretary KASA cum Joint Secretary Assam Football Association Raju Boro Assistant Secretary AFE Horeningti KASA Football Secretary Prodip Ronghang Assistant Secretary KASA Atung Chetongdun Si Bangso Jaime Deng Ponglu News Report Karbi Anglong Live